I look so 80s, yo. Whoa, this is like fluorescent. I just realized that I'm mimicking Blueland's bathroom cleaning product right now. Oh my gosh. Yes, universe, yes, come together. All right, hey guys, how's it going? My name is Tiff. Today we're going to be talking about the Blueland Bathroom Cleaner. I'm going to be giving my first impressions and review on it. I didn't really talk about this in the last two Blueland videos that I did. Blueland has a lot of certifications when it comes to their products. Blueland is certified Platinum Health from Cradle to Cradle, EPA Safer Choice, USDA Biopreferred, Leaping Bunnies Certified, and vegan. They also only use ingredients from EPA's Safer Ingredient Chemicals list, and they use none of the ingredients on EWG's Unacceptable Ingredients list and Prop 65's Banned Ingredients list. Blueland is huge on this idea of a refill system. So once you buy the bottle and its appropriate tablet, then you can just continue repurchasing the refill tablets. This in hand also greatly reduces their carbon footprint because they are shipping materials that weigh less because they are, for the most part, tablets. Okay, so when it comes to the bathroom cleaner, you can see that I did not purchase the bottle that goes for the bathroom cleaner just because I was going to use the multi-surface cleaner bottle whenever I ran out of the multi-surface cleaner. However, I was looking underneath our sink. This was all the way in the back, this empty bottle. We haven't been using this bottle at all for anything. Okay, so it is fully dissolved. It took about, I'd say 30 minutes. I'm going to try and show you guys as much as I can, but the bathroom is the one place in the apartment that gets horrible lighting. Like, we have no windows in this bathroom. It's just, it's just those lights up there. So I'm going to try and show you guys what I can in areas that obviously need cleaning, and hopefully you'll be able to see it. So let's begin. Okay, so as you can see, the door has soap scum on it, and we do have hard water. We do have a shower filter, but shower filters aren't perfect and they aren't able to filter away everything that needs to be filtered. So we do have buildup from soap and probably mineral deposit. This is from fenugreek powder. I use fenugreek in my hair care, and I had a mask on this last wash day, and you see some fenugreek residue on the sides of the walls. The scent is eucalyptus mint, which I personally really enjoyed. And my partner, he walked into the bathroom after I was finished cleaning it, and he said, oh, it smells really good in here. I still did wear an N95 mask whenever I was cleaning the bathroom just because our bathroom doesn't have any windows. We do have an air vent that I had turned on, so you might hear that whenever I show you some bathroom clips. I think one tablet of the bathroom cleaner will last me about 3 or 4 times. I did end up using a lot, as you can see, for this first cleaning, just because I really wanted to test out the product. And I do have this habit of overusing products, especially when it comes to the bathroom. When it comes to other parts of the house and cleaning products for those parts of the house, I don't go through those as fast as I do when it comes to my bathroom cleaning products. I use the heckamabob out of my bathroom cleaning products. Fortunately, whenever you buy these tablets, if you buy them in 3s, which is what I think the highest that they're sold as, the tablet comes out to about $150 per tablet. So it's very affordable in my opinion. I did have to put in a little bit more elbow grease. Okay, so here is the bathroom. This is the little corner. Those spots right there, those are permanent spots, these two guys. There was a few rust spots earlier that came off pretty quickly. And you can see the shower door is much better. There's no soap scum at all. Over here, the little stool area, you can see everything came off as well. There's no fenugreek residue. That's not mold right there or anything, don't worry about that. And I have
no complaints.
That is one thing that a lot of reviews say, is that it does clean, but it just takes a little bit more time and a little bit more scrubbing. And that's kind of to be expected, just because they're using ingredients that aren't going to be as strong as, let's say, using bleach. They are very upfront about their products not being antibacterial or disinfecting, just because those types of ingredients do not meet their specific standards when it comes to health and safety. Because you know, some companies wouldn't dare to be as honest about their ingredients like that. It says that your product will kill 99% of germs and bacteria. Is that true? Oh, really? I don't see any ingredients that indicate it'll be antibacterial. So your products aren't antibacterial? Yes. Their bathroom cleaner, in my opinion, is able to clean efficiently. Maybe not disinfect, but you don't need to constantly be disinfecting 24/7. What we don't need are super germs mutating all the time, resisting antibiotics, resisting antibacterial products. Grew up playing in the dirt, okay? A little dirt ain't hurting no one. Proper cleaning is good enough, and then every now and then you sanitize or disinfect or use an antibacterial product. That should be sufficient enough in keeping a clean home. So yeah, let me know what you think if you tried Blueland's bathroom products, or if you have other low waste or more sustainable bathroom products. I mean, there's good old vinegar. Vinegar, always solid product that does everything for you. If you guys like this video, please hit that like button down below. Please subscribe to my channel if you want. I hope you have a great rest of the day wherever you are in this world, and I will talk to you later. Okay, bye.